Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to have you joining me here today on this platform, and I want to really appreciate you for dropping by to watch the video today. I'm going to be doing two things that are very important. The first one, I'm going to be showing you step by steps on how to apply to any school of your choice going through the Sigaa, because I received some emails, some messages from people asking me how they can navigate, based on the school that I posted the last video I made. Some people told me that they were having some challenges, navigating the Sigaa site. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you by hand, and I'm going to be showing you how to navigate, how to get to the point where you can actually apply, because some people were like, they were just merry-go-rounding, they were unable to see the actual place they could do the application, submit the application. So in this video, it's going to be like a step by step, so I want you to pay close attention. And not only that, I'm also sharing with you something that is very important. I'm talking about application that is open in this particular school known as Federal University of Alagoas. Okay, so the first one here with me that is still open. There are so many courses on this particular this school Sigaa, but majority of them are closed. So I'm just going to be sharing with you some of them that are still open. Okay, so the first one that is still open is chemical engineering. You can all see chemical engineering here, and they are looking for 45 candidates, and this is also going to close on the 16th of March. Okay, so the other ones that is going to, this one is going to close on the 19th of March. This one is going to close on the 1st of April. This one too is going to close on the 1st of April. This one too is going to close on the 31st of March. Okay, so but basically what I really want you to take note, because the last video that I posted, there are so many courses right there. However, I just want to show you step by step on how to apply to school through the Sigaa. So the first thing you're going to do is, once you get to the Sigaa, you can look at we have like two indexes right here. The first one that looks like the word map, and the other one that is like an arrow in a circle. So the first one says access to the program, because each of these particular courses you are seeing here, you can also, if you want, you can visit the program page. So if you want to do that, you need to click on this icon, on this word icon, and if you want to look at the selection process data, like if you want to get to know more information about the process, you can click on this arrow, right? So each program, in front of each program, you will see these two icons. Look, for example, look at this one, chemical engineering. You can see this one, and you can also see this one. So the two icons are clickable. So, but majorly, if you want to, I always advise people to read the instructions, so you don't just start applying to what you are not so sure about. So for you to just get to know, the first thing I would advise you to do, you can as well click here, but that is when you want to check the you want to access the program page. And if you click here, it's just going to take you to the selection process, data, information, all of that. So let's click this place first. So right here on this particular page, we can see it's saying chemical engineering and some other information about the program. And here we have special student selection and related domain. When you see special students, they are not referring to people with maybe one disability or the other. No, they are special student in this category means that maybe you are not related to the program. Like you just want to, for example, maybe you just want to like borrow course. Do you understand? So it's not like you might not eventually be doing all the courses that will be offered under the program. So anytime you see special student, that is what it means. And the other one is related domain. Okay, so in this case, we're going to click, because the essence of this part of the video is to show you like a step by step. So once you click that part, just come to this, click here to sign up. So this is where you're going to sign up. Once you click here, it's going to open a particular form where you're going to sign. And at this on this page, you will see download file. If you want to get to know more about this program, it is important for you to download this file. It will be in Portuguese though, but you can translate it to English or whatever language of your country or your choice, so that you can have a better understanding of how everything will go. You can also try to familiarize yourself a little bit to the program with the short instruction that you can read here. But basically, the bulk of the information is inside this particular PDF. There's a PDF here, download file. If you click it, it will automatically download. So someone also told me that he was unable to, they were asking him CPF and all of that, because CPF is, as if you are already in Brazil, you are expected to to have your CPF. So under the CPF, if you don't have CPF as a foreigner, just click here. The person is a foreigner and does not have a CPF. Okay, so that place is very important. You'll notice that there is a change right now. The moment I click that part, it has changed. That is no longer making the CPF part compulsory. There's no more asterisk on the CPF, so it's not like a requirement again. Another question someone was asking me is about UF. UF is like something like what they use to denote the states where you are applying from. Okay, so under the UF, if you click it, you can be seeing different states. For example, if I didn't translate this into English, you're supposed to see UF here. So let me take it back to Portuguese. You can see, you are seeing UF, right? So if you click here, you begin to see all the different states in Brazil. So whichever state you are applying from, you can just click it. But if you are applying outside of the country, then there's a particular place. Once you change your nationality here, your country, once you change it away from Brazil, that is, you're not applying from Brazil. For example, let me pick Cameroon. See, it's rolling. Now I've picked Cameroon. It's only all those other parts is no longer showing. So I can only decide to pick where I want to. Maybe it's in a state in Cameroon. I can write it there, which is like normal. But all other informations here are no longer compulsory. Then here, because you don't have a passport, then you are supposed to enter your, because you don't have a CPF, then you must have a passport. So you are supposed to enter your passport in that part. Then once you are done with that, you can begin to upload every other files that is needed. Don't forget that any school that you want to apply to in Brazil, 2 documents are very, very important: your latest CV and your pre-project or your proposal. So, and I've always been saying it on this channel that no proposal is generic for all the schools in Brazil. So the schools you are applying to, you must tailor the proposal to the school. So that's that, guys, in that I'm going to be telling you in this video. So however, don't forget that we have like 3 or 4 courses that are still open in this particular school known as Federal University of Alagoas. So if you are interested in chemical engineering, political science, or any other course that is still available, try as much as possible to submit. I believe you'll be able to navigate it now. However, if you are still unable to go through all of this despite this explanation, or you are busy and you are looking for someone that can help you to do all the process, then just hit me up via the email. I will be able to help you to do that. However, don't forget that it is not free. Okay, it's going to be paid. Okay, so but we can take the decision, we can take the conversation from there. So just reach out to me on email. That is if you are not available, or you are busy, you can't do it, but you still want to apply, then reach out to me. I will definitely help you to sort everything out. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like the video, share with someone that might be interested, and I'm wishing you best of luck in your application. I can't wait to hear that you are in Brazil already, and God will make it possible. See you soon. Artemis. Ciao, ciao.